Now let us see the problem number 47. What they are saying, balance the following equation. An equation they have given, that is chromate ion is there, Cr2O7 2 minus, and oxalate ion in acidic medium it is giving Cr3 plus CO2. Determine the coefficient for H plus ion. Okay, H plus ion coefficient they are asking student. Let us do. How can you do? It's very easy actually. Cr2O7 2 minus, and it is reacting with C2O4 2 minus, and it is H plus, and it is giving Cr3 plus CO2 plus water molecule. Okay, dear student, here chromium is converting into Cr3 plus, and oxalate ion is converting into carbon dioxide. So first of carbon dioxide, here is plus 4 oxidation is a state. Here is carbon, what is 4 to the 8 minus 2 6 by 2, that is plus 3, and here is 7 to the 14 minus 2, that is plus 12 by 2, that is plus 6. Okay, so these two equation we can write here. How can we write? Acidic medium I am balancing by ion electron method. Any method you can balance, student, but basically what I find for different question, different methods we can do, that is in which methods you are feeling the comfortable, that you can do. So one is, this one is 6 to 3. 6 to 3 means what is, student? This is oxidation, no, reduction. 6 to 3 is reduction. Okay, this is reduction, and when you are doing 3 to 4, this is oxidation. Okay, so split into two half equation, and if you are not splitting also, you can do by ion electron method also. There is, but I got only the up to ion electron method, so I am not going for the oxidation number method. So I am splitting into two. The Cr2O7 2 minus is there, it is converting into Cr3 plus. Okay, so here you see, student, what is there. Here is 7 oxygen is there, 2 chromium, here is 1 chromium, multiply by 2, 7 oxygen, so here is 7 H2O. Okay, 14 hydrogen, so it is 14 H plus. Now you see another equation, student. If you are balancing the charges, student, how much charge is possible? So 3 to the 6 plus, and here is 12 plus. So 6 plus 12 plus means if you are adding 6 electron here, student, so 6 to each, 8 and 14 is there, means 6 positive here, 6 positive here, both sides 6 positive. Another equation what you are going here is C2O4 2 minus, it is converting into what? It is converting into what? So it is converting into CO2. So you see, student, it is, you see, so what is going to happen here? There is no charge, here is 2 carbons, so you multiply by 2. Here is what is happening, 2 negative charge, so here is also you multiply by 2 electron. So what we, to balance this, you multiply by 1, multiply by 3. So you can, after multiplying, you write that 3 to the 6 and 6 electron, left and right number of electron is cancelled out, you add it out. So if you are adding here, right to right, left to left, so how much will come after multiplying? Here is Cr2O7 2 minus, okay, plus how much? 14H plus, okay, plus C2O4 2 minus, C2O4 2 minus, it is giving rise what? 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus, you know, here is how many? These are multiplied by 3, no? So here it will be, that is 3, and this is the also 3 to the 6 CO2, 6, you know, 3 to the 6 CO2. Now you can check out this is the balance equation or not, and after that you can find out the number of, actually we got the answers here only, but we are doing all the steps for the, you know, comfortability of the checking of the answer. So if you are check here, so check left, LHS side should be RHS side, everything should be RHS side. So that is if you are taking chromium, oxygen, hydrogen, and that is carbon and charge. Okay, here is also you can go to chromium, oxygen, hydrogen, and here is the carbon and charge. So here chromium, how many are there, student? This is 2. This side if you are going, this is 2, and oxygen if you are going, how much? 3 to the 12, and here is 7. 12, 7, how much, student? This is the 12 and 7, that is 19. And if you are, this is oxygen here, student, 7, 6 to the 12, 12, 7, no, 12, 7, that is 19. Here is hydrogen, that is how many are there, student? 14. And this side, that is 7 water molecule, that is 14. Carbon, you see, student, how many are there? 6. And this side also 6. Charges, if you want to balance, student, 2 minus, and here is 3 to the 6. 6 means 6, 3 to the 6 to 8 minus. 8 minus and 6, 14 plus. So that is plus 6. Here will be plus 6. And here is how much is 3 to the 6 plus 6. So everything is balanced student. So number of H plus ion. Number of H plus ion is how many student? That is 14. So now coefficient for this one is correct option will be option number E. So actually this is a oral question student, but we are doing here in the detail to make you understand actually. So that is correct option is option number E. Thank you so much for watching friends.